Car care hacks, easy maintenance tips for vehicle owners. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a proud vehicle owner, you know how important it is to keep your ride in top-notch condition. In today's video, we're diving into some essential car care hacks, simple tips and tricks that will help you maintain your vehicle effortlessly. Let's rev up those engines and get started. Hack 1, regular washing and waxing. First things first, let's talk about the importance of regular washing and waxing. Keeping your car clean not only enhances its appearance but also protects the paint from dirt and grime. Apply wax every few months to maintain that glossy finish. Hack 2, tire maintenance. Your tires are the foundation of your ride. Check the tire pressure monthly and rotate them regularly to ensure even wear. Properly inflated and balanced tires not only improve fuel efficiency but also enhance safety. Hack 3, oil change schedule. Regular oil changes are like an elixir for your engine. Follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule to keep your engine running smoothly and prevent unnecessary wear. Hack 4, air filter replacement. Clean air is crucial for your car's performance. Replace the air filter as recommended to ensure proper airflow to the engine. It's a simple step that can lead to better fuel efficiency. Hack 5, brake check and fluids. Brakes are your best friends on the road. Regularly check the brake pads and fluid levels. If you notice any squeaking or grinding sounds, it's time to have them inspected by a professional. Hack 6, headlight restoration. Cloudy headlights can reduce visibility at night. Use toothpaste or a headlight restoration kit to polish the lenses and restore their clarity. Hack 7, interior TLC. Don't forget about your car's interior. Keep it clean by regularly vacuuming, wiping surfaces, and using a dashboard protectant to prevent cracking. Hack 8, windshield wiper care. Properly functioning wipers are essential for clear visibility, especially during rain or snow. Replace the wiper blades as soon as you notice streaks or reduced effectiveness. Hack 9, battery maintenance. Extend the life of your battery by cleaning the terminals and ensuring they're free from corrosion. Regularly check the battery's fluid levels if applicable. Hack 10, emergency kit essentials. Last but not least, always be prepared with an emergency kit in your car. Include items like a first aid kit, flashlight, jumper cables, and basic tools. And there you have it, car enthusiasts, 10 easy car care hacks that will help you maintain your vehicle like a pro. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a maintenance update. Until next time, keep those wheels turning smoothly.